Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu and welcome to my channel, The English Planet. Today in this video, we're going to learn the phrase, on someone's way to a place. You must have read or heard this phrase in the past, but today in this video, we're going to learn how to use it. So the phrase is on someone's way to a place. Instead of someone, you can use other possessive adjectives like my, his, her, its, their, or your. Now let's understand how to use this phrase. Imagine your friend calls you and says, "Hello, I'm on my way to college." Or someone says, "I'm on my way to my office." It means the person is going to that place and the person is on the way. Now let's look at some example sentences to understand the use better. I'm on my way to park. I'll meet you there. They are on their way to home because it's too dark now. Can you buy some fruits and vegetables on your way back home? Don't worry, your dad will drop you off at school on his way to work. What can you bring to eat on your way back home? Don't worry, we'll buy a gift for the grandparents on our way to their home. She met me on her way to market. We should talk about this on our way to college. We often meet on our way to office. I can't call you right now because I'm on my way back home. I will call you as soon as I reach home. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.